So first, we want to talk about this hot news. This may be 3 to 5 minutes here. Hot news from Carnival Cruise Line today that they have came out with a zero package, and that is something that's trending now, right? All these little things coming out about a zero package.
I don't know anything about
So
this.
I'm going to throw this on the screen here. We'll talk about it a little bit more here, but I'm going to throw this on the screen. And now we're small over here, Michelle, again.
Okay.
Now I got to find it over here. There we go. So, yeah.
I need to know about this.
$29.99 per person. Cheers, zero proof. Now, one thing I got to find out here and put it in the comments if you know the answer to this already, because I just found out about this after I got off work today, because I got to actually work now. We'll talk about that a little bit later on, too. Cheers, zero package. So it's no alcohol drinks.
Okay.
You can get the non-alcohol drinks like virgin drinks. You can get the non-alcohol beers. You can get milkshake. We'll go through the whole list here in a second. I don't know. No, people in the cabin have to get that. I mean, just like, or everybody has to do it, or can you buy it one individually? It says no sharing. So I guess it's maybe like the Bubbles package. Like we buy that for Anthony and we don't get it.
Well, what's the difference?
Well, we're going to go through right here, Michelle.
Okay.
Good question, honey. So, Zero's Proof is Carnival's premium non-alcoholic beverage package designed to elevate your cruise experience with variety and flavor. It includes everything you love, from sodas, juices, premium coffees and teas, bottled water, handcrafted zero-proof cocktails, alcohol-free beer, non-alcoholic sparkling wine, milkshakes, energy drinks. So, we're going to go through the list right here. Sodas, Coca-Cola line, juices, bottled water, 500 milliliters, still sparkling and coconut water, premium coffees and teas, zero-proof cocktails, alcohol-free beer, alcohol-free sparkling wine, frozen drinks, smoothies and bottled protein shakes, milkshakes, and energy drinks. And you know me, I love my Celsius ever. I'd rather have that than a cup of coffee any day. What is excluded? Alcohol beverages, beer, cocktails, wine, glass by spirits, discount on bottled wine, beverages promoted and sold in souvenir glasses, beverages offered at gangway, beverages offered through room service mini bars, beverages offered at private parties. So wait, beverages offered through room service and mini bars. So that means you can't order a drink to your room. The way I read that,
but be charged for
right, it'd be charged for it. Beverages offered at private parties or events. All other beverage related programs include merchandise, cigars, and cigarettes. Restrictions, here they are, must be purchased for the entire length of the cruise. Partial day purchases are not available. Package cannot be shared. It is non-transferable and intended for personal use only. Some items like alcohol-free beer, non-alcohol sparkling wine, and zero-proof cocktails carry age restrictions. Don't understand that really. Cheers, zero proof. The beverage package does not extend to any destinations we visit. So no Celebration Key, no Half Moon Key. And please note there is an 18% service charge to that. So no cans. So it's only fountain drinks only, which sucks because that's one thing we disliked about Princess was we wanted, like, Celebrity just gives you the canned drinks.
Hand it to you.
They have the carts and you go get the canned drinks. You go do what you want to.
They don't make you open them or anything.
That's the question. Do you think that's worth it for $29.95 or $29.99, whatever it was?
$30 a day.
Yeah, $30 a day. Now, we usually bring at least 2, sometimes 3 12-packs of Coca-Cola product on the ship. Mm-hmm. A lot of times by the end of the cruise, we have extra left over.
Yep.
And we leave them for the room steward. So that saves us $3 to $4 every drink,
right?
And you still buy a couple of those sometimes at dinner and stuff.
Like if I'm at dinner and I don't bring one with me, yes.
So yeah, so Carnival Cruise Act says 2 mocktails and a couple bottles of water, and you break even. That's true, or a couple milkshakes, like Anthony. We would consider it for Anthony because we do buy
soda.
We do buy bubbles for him, but he does soda. He likes water. He loves milkshakes. He usually gets one a day at least.
And he'll sometimes go get a specialty coffee too.
Yeah, that's $30 a day. Yeah. That's $210 on a 7-day. Do you just pay, $7, $8 for the milkshake?
How much is the bubbles?
It used to be like $9.95 or $10. I don't
So
know
it's
what it is anymore.
significantly higher.
Yeah, it is significantly higher. So,
I don't know.
yeah, tell us what y'all think. We'll go through here and talk about that a little bit more. At least they have that option now, because for a long time Royal, I think, offered it, but Carnival didn't. So now at least they have that option out there. You can buy it if you want to.
CCA says not everyone has to get it, so it can
Okay,
be
so
per
yeah, you
person.
can just get one, and it tells you not to share it, which we've never ever shared the
Never
bubbles
done
package.
such a thing.
Ever. We would never.
No, I'd never be dishonest.
We would
like
never do that. Never. Ever would we do that, honey.
That. However, $210. I think we ought to be able to share all we want.
I'm bad enough paying the internet price. I mean, that kills us every cruise. I mean,
know.
you know, the internet prices ends up being $300 or $400.
No, we've never brought liquor on board either.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about that.
Yep.
So tell us what you think in the comments. Do you think it's worth it or not? Let us know. Glad Carnival is at least doing this, giving something back to their people.
But I don't like the no cans.
Huh?
I really don't like fountain only, no cans.
I don't either. There's a difference in taste.
Oh yeah.
Some, like Michelle, like she goes to Wendy's. Now she loves McDonald's.
Wendy's has actually a good Coke Zero.
But some of those drinks, I just pour them away. I just tell her to throw them out. I don't want them. They taste bad.
Most of them it's
horrible.
It's bad.